From the last couple of months, you must be hearing a lot about ChatGPT and OpenAI. In this video, I will talk about these and what is the relation between ChatGPT and OpenAI. We will understand that also. In the recent year, this has got so much popularity, though this is an old technology. So we will also see the history of GPT and how it got evolved over the time. Now let's begin with OpenAI. So what is OpenAI? As most of the people think that this is a technology, but OpenAI is a company, not a technology. And this company does research and deployment work on artificial intelligence. Let's talk a little about the company now. So, prominent tech entrepreneurs came together to create this company, including Sam Altman and Elon Musk, and they founded the company in December 2015. You must have heard about Elon Musk. He is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. He was involved in the early stages of the organization and he was in the board of members then, but he is no longer directly involved in the day-to-day operations of OpenAI now. He resigned from the board of OpenAI in February 2018 to focus on Tesla, but he remains a donor and advisor to the business. The company had only one mission: to develop an AGI, which is the artificial general intelligence, for the benefit of humanity. The mission is clearly written on the about page of its website, even on today also. We can see this mission on their website. OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company. Our mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. And on the homepage also, it is written that they are creating safe AGI that benefits all of humanity. This OpenAI company was founded as the non-profit organization, but over the time that has shifted from non-profit to capped profit. Now you know that the company works in the field of AI, so let's talk about different products which are created by OpenAI. The first and most popular product is ChatGPT. This is a chatbot which gained popularity in the last 1 year after its launch in November 2022. What do I mean by chatbot here? So it is basically a chatting system where a human can interact with a machine, and it gives a sense that we are interacting with a human being. And this is a conversational AI, which means we can do conversation like a human does. So when we ask anything to ChatGPT, then the answers we get from ChatGPT, they seem like a human is answering them. A human who knows everything about everything. And on top of that, we get to see the amazing accuracy here in these answers. Now, ChatGPT has two versions currently. One is free to use, which is based on GPT 3.5 model. We will talk about model in a while. The second version is ChatGPT Plus, which is based on GPT 4 model. And this ChatGPT Plus is not free and it is based on subscription. In ChatGPT Plus, we get some other additional features also like DAL-E, browsing, advanced data analysis, and more. One thing to note here is the ChatGPT free version has knowledge till September 2021. If you ask anything which happened after September 2021, then it will not be able to answer that. But the ChatGPT Plus can get you information from the internet. So the information it will provide will be more accurate and latest. Let's now see what is AI model. So you can consider an AI model as a program that has been trained on a set of data. As a resultant of that, it makes certain decisions without further human intervention. Here GPT 3.5, GPT-4 are the examples of model on which ChatGPT works. I will discuss more about these models in detail in the upcoming videos of this AI course. There I will also discuss about how we can train them. Now this ChatGPT was so much popular that after the release of these, other companies had also introduced their chatbots like Google Bard by Google, Bing AI by Microsoft. Even though Microsoft and OpenAI are in partnership and Microsoft has already invested heavily in OpenAI. Then another example is My AI by Snapchat. Now almost each company is planning to incorporate AI in their products in some or the other form. For example, Quora, Samsung, Duolingo, Air India and many more. So these companies have either incorporated already or planning to incorporate in their products. So till now we have understood that ChatGPT is not a model, it is a chatbot provided by OpenAI company, and the underlying models are GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. And the OpenAI team is working on GPT 5 currently, which is in training phase. And soon we will hear about the launch of GPT 5 as well. That will be very interesting to see how intelligent and smart that would be. This GPT 3.5 or GPT 4 did not come all of a sudden. Earlier versions of GPT were also launched prior to GPT 3.5. GPT 1 was introduced in June 2018. This was the first GPT model. Then GPT 2 was introduced in February 2019. It had 1.5 billion parameters and was trained on a dataset of 8 million web pages. Then around May 2020, OpenAI engineers announced about the GPT-3. Actually, there are many models in the GPT-3 family. In one of the research papers, they have mentioned about 8 GPT-3 models. The four popular models of GPT-3 family are ADA, BABBAGE, CURIE and DAVINCI. These models are also called instruct GPT because they work on instruction. Like if you ask something, then they will answer to that in a certain way. They are not as smart and effective as ChatGPT. They are not generative. They were not capable to do the conversation like GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. As you can see in the table, they were trained on different size of parameters. For example, the ADA model was trained on 760 million parameters. And for Babbage, these parameters were increased to 1.3 billions. So these parameters are increasing model by model. Here you can understand these parameters as dimensions. So DaVinci model was trained on 175 billion dimensions. So more the parameters, the more intelligent the model will be. So if some model is trained with more parameters, then that will be more smarter and knowledgeable, and that will give more accurate and proper answer to the prompt. That's why the GPT-4 is trained on 1 trillion parameters. So you can get a sense now that how much powerful and intelligent it would be. So this ChatGPT was the one product provided by OpenAI company. The other products provided by OpenAI are, one of them is DALI, which can generate image based on the text which we provide as the prompt. In October 2023, OpenAI introduced its third version, which is DALI 3, and it is available in ChatGPT Plus and Enterprise version. The next product is Codex, which can generate code. We can use this as pair programming and it suggests you the code. The next is Whisper, which is a speech recognition tool. The another product is MuseNet, which can generate 4-minute musical composition with 10 different instruments. Similarly, Clip and Jukebox are some other tools provided by OpenAI. Let's now talk a little about types of AI so that you would understand more about the mission of OpenAI company. We have divided AI in three categories: strong AI, narrow AI, and super intelligent AI. Currently, all the tools created by OpenAI or any other company, they fall under the narrow AI category. The strong AI tools will be equally capable of humans. They would think and perform any task similar to a human. Like human can perform multiple tasks and can be skilled in multiple domains. But in case of narrow AI, the narrow AI tools are good in some specific task only. They can perform some specific tasks either at the same level of human or in some cases better than humans. For example, GPT 3.5 is good in conversational capability and DALI 3 is capable to create images. So they are good in doing that defined specific tasks. So we can say that narrow AI tools are less capable than a human brain. That's why every AI solution which is present today is an example of narrow AI. Then comes the third category where the machines become more powerful and capable than humans. That is the super intelligent AI. And I am sure that would be a dangerous situation to be in. This is something what we see in the movies where robots take over the world and whatnot, and robot becomes more powerful than humans. So that is the super intelligent AI. If I again come back to the mission of OpenAI, then their mission is to create general AI, which is the strong AI, and that would be capable of doing multiple things like we human do. We human learn better and improve when we test our knowledge. So for that, I have curated multiple quizzes on several topics, which is available on our official website free of cost for now. You can access this by clicking on the link provided in description below. And if you want me to add more topics, then let me know. I will add more. And let me know how you are finding this AI course series, whether this is useful, or if you have any doubts, let me know through comments. If you are eager to expand your knowledge in these areas and become a skilled engineer, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for such content. So that's all for this video. As always, keep learning and keep supporting. See you in the another video.